In this video, we will learn the row widget. Last couple videos, we learned about the column widget, and this time we will learn about the row widget. It's the same thing, but instead of being vertical, it is horizontal. Let's do it right now by changing column with row. Simple as that. I will hot reload, and now you see it is vertical, one button after the other. Cool. And what happened is both of them are in the center. And you can see the main axis alignment, because the row is horizontal like this, and the main axis alignment of the row is like this. And you can see it is on the center, which is perfect. Okay? But the cross-axis alignment is set to be at start. So the cross-axis alignment will be like this, and it should be on the top. But it is not. Why? Because right now we use the center widget, which put the sized box and the row at the center. Okay? But the sized box don't have a certain height. So if we give a certain height, and we use the same logic, double.infinity, and we hot reload, boom, you see, the row is now at start. Because the sized box now take all the remaining place. Before, it was taking only the width place. So let's put it back, and yeah, I think it's pretty much it. If we, oops, my voice cracked. If we remove the first main, and I hot reload, you see it is at the start, so everything seems fine. I will remove this one also, and I save, boom, it's go in the center left. Why? Let's find out. If we go over row, you see the main axis alignment is set at start if we do nothing, and the cross axis alignment is set as center. So that is why it is like this if we put nothing inside. So let's put both of them, and let's put them at center. And I will format document. That's magnificent. We have learned about the row widget, and in the next video, we will continue to learn the Flutter basics. See you in the next video. Bye.